Hello everybody, welcome to my updated 2018 print packaging video. My 2016 version of this video has gotten a lot of attention and people have asked about an update, so I wanted to film this because some things are still the same, but a few things have changed due to me rebranding myself and finding new ways to make my packing my own. So just follow me as I package this print for y'all today. So first and foremost, I print the order after I receive it. The order sheet shows what you purchased, of course, how much it costs, shipping and billing, blah, blah, blah. So this very special customer has ordered a Baby Grinch print and my Music Legends sticker pack. I already have a sticker pack printed and cut out, but I don't have any Baby Grinch prints, so I'm just gonna print one up real quick. And if you want to see how exactly I make my prints, just click the link in the top right corner of this video. Give me a like if you're feeling generous. I don't know. So something I like to do is write a personalized thank you note to the customer, typically at the bottom of the order. I've been thinking about maybe writing them on special paper in case someone wants to keep it because my notes are just that special and people love them so much. But for now, I just stick to this. Please note my beautiful golden gel pen. I wanted a cute way to seal the order after I fold it up, and even though it's not really necessary, I think it adds to the aesthetic when I seal it with this little Tanae sticker, and it lets the customer know this is my shit. I did this. You're welcome. Now, anyone who watched the old video knows that I used to place a business card in with everything else, but I started to think, what's the point? They already have my info if they ordered from me, and the chances of them actually passing it on to someone, who knows? I thought it might be more special for the both of us, meaning me and the customer, if I just slid them a discount code. I mean, it gives them more incentive to buy again, gets me more support and money, of course. Not that that's the most important thing, but it's a thing. And since you're watching this video and seeing this right now, guess what? You just got 10% off your next order if you use the code VALUE10 at checkout. You're welcome. So I still roll my prints up and package them into shipping tubes. That's because this is the most convenient and cheap way to ship prints of this size, and the art does not get ruined. So for anyone who told me never to roll up art, cry me a river. However, I did stop sealing the print with tape because I realized after I rolled it up, I could just slide it right on in there and not waste shipping supplies. I also stopped wrapping the actual print in plastic and opted to wrap the entire tube in plastic, keeping all of its contents safe from the weather while traveling to its destination. And last but certainly not least, I print the shipping label. Now, I live in the US and I ship with the US Postal Service. So luckily for me, they have a service on their website called Click and Ship, where I just enter the address info, weight of package, size, cost, and I'm able to pay for and print a label right there. Another thing I get to do is schedule a pickup so that I don't have to leave my house and take it to the post office. Like I said, it's already paid for, so when the mail person comes around to deliver our mail, they just pick my package up for free and send it on its way. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and listening. I hope maybe I can help in some way if you're trying to figure out how to be more professional with your packaging or whatever the case. I design and print everything that goes in there, so this is also some encouragement to start DIYing, doing it yourself. So I'll see you in the next video, which is hopefully a time lapse because it's been a while. Okay, Bye bye.